Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do this beautiful face and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on just how I do makeup, lighter, fair, or pale skin. Alright, so let's get to it. First thing, I'm just going to start off with my Master Primer by Face Studio Maybelline, and it is in Blur and Illuminate, and I'm just going to put that all over her face. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Stick Concealer in 5 Fair and just go under her eyes because she has some darkness. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, take my beauty blender, and as you can see, it brightens her eyes up very, very well. Then I'm gonna take the LA Girl Concealer in my green corrector, and I'm just going to put that around her nose. I use this corrector when I want to get rid of redness, so this is very helpful if you have redness on your cheeks or you have redness around your nose. It will definitely block that out. Now, I just want to apologize. I'm so sorry, guys. My camera stopped recording when I first started to put her foundation on, but I used the Dream Satin Liquid Foundation by Maybelline in the color 50. So you can see when I put her foundation on the eyelids, and you can see how it just complements her skin, where same concealer by Maybelline in 5 Fair, and I'm just going to put that under her eyes, on her chin, above her mouth, on her forehead, and down her nose. You guys know the drill. And I'm going to just take a beauty blender and blend that out. Now, if you ever get scared about concealing your face and make your face even brighter, never get scared as long as you're using, a bronzer or a contour method. So now I'm going to take my Midnight Powder in Banana, and I'm just going to conceal her face. Now I'm going to take my NYX foundation in Total Control in the color Golden Doré, but I'm going to just go on the outer parts of her forehead and on her cheekbone, and I'm using a very, very light method because it's going to give her a lot of color. But if you just use a little bit, it will just give like that golden effect, and that's what we want. We want it to look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to take my NYX Dewy Finish Spray and spray my beauty blender and blend it out. Now this definitely just helps with blending flawlessly. So either have a damp beauty blender or spray your beauty blender with a setting spray, and that will be the key of helping you blend. So now that I blended that out, I'm just going to take my powder brush and take off all that product that's still left on her face. Now I'm going to take my Benefit powder in Hula, and I love this powder when it comes to lighter skin because it just gives off that effortless contour bronzy look. Not too strong, but also you can tell, like, hey girl, have you been in the sun? What is up? Then I just use a highlighter from actually a NYX palette. It doesn't have a name, but I'll link that down below. So now I'm going to take my blush by Tarte, and the name is Party, and I think it's a really, really cute blush, and it was great for not being too much for her. So now I'm going to take my NYX Dewy Finish Spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over her face, and that's just going to set it. That's going to make sure she's not looking too powdery. She's going to have that matte feel, but also a dewy feel. I love this spray, and this is the key to setting your makeup. So I'm going to take that same stick concealer and set her eyes. And I'm just going to blend it out with a small beauty blender. And now I'm going to go in my Morphe 352 Second Nature eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take this eyeshadow as a base. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette by Mario. And I'm just going to put this up in her crease, but above it, and I'm using a very, very light hand because I want this to come off as such of a shadow. Now I'm going back in my Morphe palette, and I'm using this brown shade. So then I just started to blend that in her crease. I went down a little bit close to her lid, but I went back into the crease and I used circular motions, but I made them go up because I wanted to blend with that red eyeshadow that I put the first time. Now I'm going in with a darker brown shade, and I'm just patting that in the outer corner of her lid. Now I'm going in with a brown but very light with an orange undertone. I actually decided like, okay, we can do the orange. Now I'm going in my Tarte palette, and I'm definitely going to pat it because I don't want it to come off too aggressive. Everything is just flowing perfectly, so I'm just going to pat that in, going up and down strokes, but soft pats. So then I'm going to take a very, very light gold eyeshadow. I'm so sorry, I don't even remember which one I used, but any gold eyeshadow is okay, but make sure it's natural because you just want it to flow. I just mix all of those browns that I use, and I'm just going to go under her eye. Then I'm going to take that same gold, just go under. I don't want anything to be too aggressive under her eye. I want it to be super, super natural. And now I'm going to take the NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to give her a little cat eye. Very, very natural though, not too much. Then I'm going to take my, I hate this name, Better Than Sex mascara. I need to get a new mascara because I don't like the name. But yes, it's Better Than Sex mascara. And I actually really like the mascara. It's pretty good. But now I'm going to take just some natural lashes and apply those. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and just fill in her eyebrows. Now I'm not going to just do too much. I'm just going to, you know, fill in where it's needed and connect it with some strokes. And I want it to be natural. I didn't want anything to be too aggressive and too perfect. Now I'm going in with the red lip liner, and I got this from the beauty supply store, so I don't know the name, but you can literally pick up any one. And then I'm going to take a red lipstick from L'Oreal in 315 True Red. I'm just going to put that all over her mouth. Now, we did decide that the red lipstick was, I don't know, I wanted to tone it down a little bit, so I took a lip gloss from Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick Cream in the color Dune. Now, if you guys are ever nervous to use a red lipstick, sometimes putting a lip gloss over it is the key. It like gives it that pink but red kind of stained lip look, which is really, really pretty. Yeah, so this is the finished look. She looks gorgeous. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos where I'm doing people with different skin tones. So yeah, don't forget, my name is LAROSAA with 2 A's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.